Welcome back, guys. In this video, I will show you the 3 cards to unlock the daily combo bonus of June 22nd. So open Hamster Kombat, click the daily combo logo, and the first card is in legal. So click on legal, click anti-money laundering, and upgrade or buy it. The first card is found. The second card is in the same category, so scroll down and click License Indonesia and upgrade it. Before I tell you about the third card, you can subscribe to my channel and click the like button because I want to upload the daily combo solution every day. The last card is a special card, so go into special card category and you can find this card in my card section, or new cards depends if you have already bought it or not. It's called Top 10 Global Ranking. So it's all for today. With Daily Combo, you can earn every day 5 million coins. If you are new, click the link down below and enter into the Hamster Kombat app.